Welcome to Larry's Index Schedule Part 2. This is the redo stuff. Anyway, so all we're doing right now is talking about, go to sheet 0. All we're talking about doing is discussing how these labels, sheet numbers, actually, I don't want to call it a label anymore. I want to call it rename it. I want to say it's the number. It's a sheet number, right? That's what it is. God, I don't know what's wrong with my mouse, man. It's like it's sticking or something. Hold on. The mouse started screwing up just yesterday, and it seems to be, that's a little bit better. I don't know if it's the pad I'm using or the mouse itself. Anyway, so okay, you want to change the sheet name, title, rename, title, sheet name. I don't care. 10 a.m. Right, okay. So that's hardwired. Description. I don't know. Do you want us to? I don't want a description. I really don't want descriptions. I don't need a description. It's a sheet 1 is the site plan. Do I want to? I don't want to describe it. Comments. I don't need to make comments. I mean, you can if you want, but so what we're talking about is this is what I use. I use the sheet number. It's on the bottom right hand sheet on each sheet. Sheet name. If you want a sheet name, I don't need to describe it. I don't need to make a comment. I use the number over here. Remember the number right here? That is simply so when I go to print, I can print it. Page, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. It's CA's number. And this extra, I had an extra column, but I don't even know how to control the text in here because it's hardwired. In fact, what I did, I guess I copied the sheet name or label, whatever it was. I just gave it so I really had more columns than I need. But as I said, I only use the 2. That's all I need. And then what I also did on my layout right here and here, this is the same thing. This is justified right. This is justified left. And there's a text macro here, UU. It's a text macro. Layout title. It's a layout title. So, site plan. Site plan. It matches this up here. Site plan. Elevation roof plan. Elevation roof plan matches up there. Where'd that come from? Elevation roof plan. It's just another little thing that I had that I did. I kind of like it actually. You know, as you thumb through here, it's very easy. This is the demo plan. Demo plan. Demo. I don't know. I like it. Now notice that this label, this is the layout box label. We're talking about layout box. Where's that come from? UU. That comes from opening the layout box specification. Layout box specification. It's the label right here. And I just give it the same label as the sheet index would have. And I use this box scale. Just for the fun of it. Objects. That's what I use, box scale. You want to use layout scale? Let's see what layout scale does. And I think there's another one. File info. Plan info. How about drawing scale? I don't know what I just did. 1/4 inch. Okay, let's see, UU. So what I gave it was, isn't that interesting? What did I just give it? What's this right here? Delete the layout. I'm gonna get rid of. I don't know what I mean, someone was having problems with them at one time there. And I thought at one time these things zoomed in. Oh, that's freaking this. Stop it. Anyway, I'm getting carried away. This is what you use. Layout box scale. I like that. This is Perry's old tip to me. 1/4 inch. That's what it is. 1/4 inch. That's what scale it is. Do I want to change the scale? I'm going to change it to 1/8 inch. Do I have to buy another mouse? I don't know. See how it just changed right there automatically? Yeah, this is stop. Okay, so this series is about the sheet index and what I do. Go to sheet 0. So we're talking about this right here, UU. I really don't want the 0 there. And I really don't want Chief's page number there. All I use is the % layout label. Attributes, I think it's justified. or centered, and the layout box label. Yeah, that's what it is. Layout box label. Layout box label. Where's that number? What is that number? That number is really this page number or whatever this is. I think I think it's that number, right? I think it's that right there. So let me see if I can sum this up. We're talking about sheet layout labels, sheet indexes. I have this limited to 2 columns: the sheet number, my sheet number, and the sheet name. I put it right here in this space here, so it's on every page. I put this on sheet 0. It's on every page. I have another sheet index over here. It's in red, and the only reason I have it in red is because when I go to print this stuff and I want to print something, I know I'm going to print sheet 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. That's what I'm going to print. Over here, that's what's going to be on the what gets printed. It's hard to how do you select those sheets to print? So I need this, so I know what to print. I think I explained that. So we're talking about layout. This right here is you know what this is. This is that's simply this number up here, and then I put this right down here. And this is, what is this? This is the layout title. Layout title. It's the title of the layout. Where's that layout title come from? Open this up. Layout page information. No, that's not where it comes from. Yeah, that's where it comes from. That's where it comes from. Site plan. Yeah, it comes from. It comes from title. That's the title. Layout title. And then to identify it further, I use Perry's automatic labeling for the layout boxes. You open that up, and it's right there. That's where it comes from. I'm done. It's a mess. I hate my mouse.